Hello friends and everyone else. I'm trying not to look too excited because I got in my hands the latest Air Raid album, Across the Line. It's here, that's why I keep looking to the bottom right or left in your screen, it doesn't matter. If you have watched my previous videos, you probably know that I did an unboxing for their second album, Point of Impact. This one is the new album. It was released in September. You should probably know, I already love this band. If any one of you has their first album out, Night of the Axe, and doesn't want it anymore, please send it to me. I want this album. Anyway, it's time to present this one. These Swedish guys delivered again. I like their first album so much, so I pre-ordered this one without actually listening to any songs. That was good. They have, of course, a few songs on YouTube. They sound really good. And when this baby arrived, I couldn't resist. I had to show it to you. So let's look at the cover. It's way too 80s, as you can see, a band picture with a new singer again, amazing singer once again. Across the Line. Let's look at the back. As you can see, still it's a bit of an 80s layout. I really like the line from the song Aiming from the Sky. I think it was the first song that was released on YouTube as well, really good song. So, as you may be aware with these guys, and it's from the High Roller Records, a German label, all their editions are very limited. So in this case I went for the most limited of the limited editions, the one you got a glimpse a bit before, but I will show you soon enough. So we have a lyric sheet, side A and side B, song titles. The songs are really good, I listened to them. This album is dedicated to everyone with a dream. I'm pretty sure this band has a dream, and I wish them to become one of the biggest bands out there, because these guys are true. We have some thanks here. There is also a seed from High Roller Records. I have to show this to you as well. With their releases, lots of it. I should have a look and probably get something from here. There you are. And let's go to the limited thingy. So, as I said, all their editions are kind of limited, but I got the clear vinyl. Look how beautiful that looks. That's limited to 100 copies. Side A, side B. Sounds amazing, plays like a charm, and it looks really nice as well. Anyway, I'm way too excited about that. What I can suggest to you is listen to this album. I'm sure maybe by now someone has put it on YouTube. You can always follow the band on Facebook. They deserve it. Really good guys, they play amazingly. If you like classic heavy metal, you're gonna love these guys. So yeah, Air Raid rules. So that's it. Until next time, remember to stay heavy.